Everybody, Belinda here, welcome back. Starters, I'm actually quite sick, so I'm just going to talk a little bit and then I'll put some music on. So this is the consistency of my white, and because it's so thin, I have gone ahead and painted white underneath, although you know, the paint is still wet. So it is great to be back, getting, you know, back onto the horse again. I went to the doctor with kidney infection, so I needed to get some antibiotics, and they kind of gave me the flu as well to take home with me. So not only have I got the kidney infection, but I also have the flu. So who would have thought? Anyway, I suppose, you know, it happens. So, I'm going to put some music to this, purely because I don't think you want to hear my rough voice and probably coughing and sniffing and that sort of thing as well. Thanks guys for being so patient with me and waiting for the video. I do appreciate that. Right, so that is my white. I'm not going to tilt it off because I kind of want it to be more on the canvas. So my brain has been stewing over something that I want to do, and sorry guys, I just actually can't wait to do it. But I'm waiting for canvases as well, which I have ordered from Spotlight, because I feel it's a special one. I really need a special canvas for it. It's like an extra deep edged canvas. Anyway, right, so I'll just give that a torch. And where's my torch? Get rid of all those bubbles. So my white is mixed 1 part paint to 2 parts of Floetrol, and I've added a water to get to the consistency. All my other colours that I'll be using are actually 1 part paint to 2 parts of Floetrol. Right. So, let's see. Because I'm going to be working in layers, I'm going to first and foremost put down the green. This is Viridium green, so let's just go like that. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Maybe like that. Sorry guys, sniffing already. Just give that a wipe off, and then. So I want the dark, hang on a minute, I want the light in the background, so let's just do that, and maybe over there, and I'm not too worried about the numbers right now because we're going to deal with that. Okie dokie. So that's that green. And then I'm going to put down some red. Now I'm thinking of my composition. Okay, how about we start here first? Red, and this red has got a little bit of what's it called? Iridescent medium in it. Should look pretty cool. Right, so what color do I want to go next? Maybe yellow. Probably going to give quite a bit of orange effect. Now I've done something similar to this before. Well, I have done quite a few like this. And then I have my cell activator. And then after this, we will put on some music. Cell activator. And give that a blow. Okay, pretty. And then, I think I've got my hair in it, guys. Okay guys, it's been sitting for a day, and it is almost dry. It is winter here now, so it takes a little bit longer to dry. But there it is. See if I can get all the way to the top. Those colours have really come out exceptionally well. At first I thought it was a little bit on the light side, but they look delicate and colourful. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye.